Hi, this is Sangeetha, doing my MBA in Veltech Arts College, affiliated by Madras University, and my register number is MI20543, and this is my internship project, a study on account receivable management with special reference to Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Paper Limited at Chennai, under the guidance of Mr. M. Prabhu, Assistant Professor of Management Studies. And let me see about the introduction. Account receivable management. An account receivable is a money owner to a company by a customer for product and services purchased on credit. This is usually treated as a current asset of account receivable after the customer sends an invoice. Account receivable are known by various names such as account receivable aging, account payable, days receivable, account receivable turnover, and invoice factoring. And industrial profile. Paper is an essential requirement for modern life. Paper is a paradoxical material composed by fiber interlaced into a compact web, which can be into a purple dyed pressured. Today, paper includes a wide range of products with very different application like communication, culture, artistic, educational, hygienic, sanitary, as well as the storage and transportation of all kind of goods. Raw material. The major raw material used are hardwood, bamboo, reed, baggage, straws, grasses, waste paper. And company profile. The company was incorporated on 16th April 1979 with a capacity of manufacture 15,000 tin per annum of newsprint and 40,000 of printing and writing paper. It was promoted by the government of Tamil Nadu for the manufacture of newsprint and printing and writing paper using the baggage as a primary raw material. It manufactured the newsprint, writing and printing paper. Quality policy. TNPL is committed to manufacture and supply the eco-friendly paper to customer satisfaction with emphasis on continual improvement in quality management system. TNPL has obtained the ISO 9001-2000 certification from RWTUB manufacture and supply the newsprint and printing and writing papers. And vision of TNPL to be the market leader in a manufacturing of world-class eco-friendly paper by adapting the innovation technology for sustainable development. Mission of TNPL paper processing technology, paper processing involved baggage handling, wet bulk storage, reclaiming, fiber preparation, pulp mills. And competitor for TNPL, Bharatwarat Paper Mill, Balrapur Industry, ITC, Balarchalam, Sirpur Papers, JK Papers, West Coast. And awards and accolades of TNPL: Green Business Leadership Award, the Energy and Resources Institution Corporate, Excellence in Corporate Governance, Best Paper Mill 2001 and 2002 and 7 to 8, Certificate of Excellence, Environment Protection, Export Award by Minister of Commerce, Government of India, Safety Award, Energy Award, Best Corporate Citizen in 1999. Objectives of the study. Primary objective: the study the account receivable of management with special reference to TNPL Gindi. Secondary objectives: the study existing credit policy and procedure prevalent in company, to ascertain the receivable management technical in the firm, to study the impact of receivable in financial liquidity, to find out the average collection period of debtors. And scope of the study. The study is conducted with the intention to help them in some manner to collect this credit. Here an attempt is made to analyze the credit and to suggest some strategy for the proper recovery of credit. The study helped the company to frame new policy for receiving the debt in future. And need of the study. Every firm has a set of credit terms and policy under which goods are sold on credit, and every policy has a cost and benefit associated with it. This project attempt as to how to manage the account receivable and the impact of it. The study helped to find the relationship between the sales and debtors by preparing the trend analysis and correlation analysis. Overall, it helped to find the effectiveness of receivable management in TNPL. And limitation of the study. The study has taken into the account only 5 years for comparative analysis. It has always not been possible to get the full information since the study only on secondary data, so the reliability of informations may not be ensured. And research methodology. Research is a systematic and objective process of identifying the formulating the problem by setting. It is a method for controlling, editing, calculating, evaluating, analyzing and interpreting the data in order to find the justified solution. Methodology. Methodology is defined as a study of method by which we gain knowledge. It deals with cognitive process imposed on research by the problem arising from the nature of its subject matter. Type of the research: descriptive research and analytical research. Research approach: analytical approach. In analytical research, the researcher has to use fact or information already available and analyze these to make critical evaluation of the data. The research method used for the project involve analytical research which has been carried out respect to the existing system in the company, and a critical evaluation of the same is made. Sources of the data. Data collection method. Nature of the data. The data collected in secondary in nature. This due to the nature of analysis which only call for secondary data. Secondary data. The secondary data is a second-hand information which exists in the record of the company, book collection and website. The annual of the company also provide all information about the WIL for the second accounting period. This enable to understand the existing performance of the company. Tools used: ratio analysis, trend analysis, correlation, aging schedule, and finding of the study. The current ratio and liquid of TNPL has been decreased constantly, which means that the company is struggling to be in liquid position. The debt equity ratio of TNPL is keep on decreasing, which show that the company is out of the financial risk and long-term vendor are well protected. The debtor turnover ratio of TNPL is also decreasing, which show that the company is taking more time in converting its credit sale into cash. The net profit is also keep on decreasing, which indicate that there is more expenses than the income gained by the company over the years. By the trend analysis of net sale were increased by the year, which show that the company is making more production. The decreases is the absolute liquidity ratio of TNPL indicates that the company has ineffective cash position. By the trend analysis of sales and debtor, the position is slightly increased by year, which show that the sale as well as the debtor of the company may increase in future. By the analysis, a positive correlation between the sales and debtor indicate that there is a direct relationship between the sales and debtors. From the aging schedule of TNPL, it showed that the credit given to the customers is keep on increasing from first quarter till fourth quarter. At the same time, with the effective collection affect the amount outstanding is also able to collect. And suggestion of the study: the company should maintain the current asset ratio to 2:1 in order to maintain the short-term solvency position. The company must conduct the investigations of credit worthiness and monitor the collection activities. The company should maintain the aging for account receivable and try to reduce the credit given to the customers and try to make the collection effective. The company should increase the turnover period in order to receive the payment from the customers. The company should discount the amount for yearly payment. And conclusion of the study: during the project study period, major departments are covered. The receivable management is a key area for working capital management. The main purpose of the project is to analyze the financial performance of the company. The detailed observations are presented in the form of analysis in the previous chapter. The major financial performance indicate of Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Paper Limited for the 5-year period in terms of ratio and liquidity ratio, gross profit ratio, debit turnover ratio of the company, and so many data used in this project work. The study concluded by saying that the performance of the overall receivable management has been improved when compared to the previous year. This project will be very helpful to the company who want to improve the receivable management. Thank you.